Hey guys, welcome back once again. In this episode, I want to tell you about my 23rd items that I got for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport S. And I don't need to open and get inside or even in the back. My 23rd items are actually sort of upgrades that I got, and it has to do with the suspension system, sort of. They are the track bars and the front and the rear track bars. I'll show you if I can. There they are. This one right here is an RSO front adjustable track bar. And then let's move our way to the rear. As far as in the rear track bar, I'm not sure of the brand. Right there. It is also adjustable. There it is. Yeah, I got front and rear adjustable track bars. Those are my 23rd item. They're basically upgrades, and then I'll leave it up to you to research the track bars. I got them adjustable just in case in future, it has to do with your lift and tire size. It's great to adjust the tracking for say, but I'm not much of an expert on it, and I'm not going to explain too much of the reason why track bars are important. But yeah, that's what I got. My 23rd items are adjustable track bars, front and rear. All right, stay tuned for more. Thanks again for watching.